Hi, this is the CNC that we've been talking about. Turn it on. And then it takes a second to boot up. While that's booting up, I'll show you the dust collection. It does work. Okay, boot it up. All access home. Yes, takes a minute to get over there. Okay, and then I have it set to 0 on this piece of MDF corner. I'll move it forward to 0 it. This is the problem I was telling you about with the X. You have to push the button quite hard. If you don't, it kind of stops like that. But if you push the button really hard, it continues to move. Now I'll 0 the Z. Z is 0. We'll go back up. And then I'll run a file I got that I did for a guy recently. See, that's what I mean. You gotta kind of really push that X plus. It probably just needs to be cleaned out or something. Machine warms up. I'll leave the dust collection off so that way if there's anything to narrate, I can narrate it and it's not quite so loud. It's cutting out a pocket for the Chevy symbol. As you can see, it's buzzing along there just fine. While it's moving, I'm going to give it a little pump of oil. It just takes, according to what I read, synthetic motor oil, and it's got a pump on the side over here. You give it a pump or two, and it pumps oil to the moving parts. I don't want to give it too much oil because then it'll possibly drift down onto the workpiece. Even though this workpiece doesn't matter, it's just a piece of scrap. And I'm going to stop it before it cuts the whole thing instead of sitting here watching it cut. It's just stop, or I'll pause it. You can start it again. I don't do that very often, so it took me a minute to remember which buttons to push. Or you can stop cancel. lifts. I'm gonna just discard the brake, and then that's it. I can power it down. You want to look inside the cabinet here, you can see inside the cabinet. It's a little dusty, but it's just all the electronics. Okay, if there's anything else you want a video of or got questions about, feel free to send them to me. Bye.